Hello friends, the title of this video is Why should we pay the taxes? There are two types of taxes, direct taxes and indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are those taxes which are imposed on goods and services. As everyone purchases goods and services, so all pay the indirect taxes. I am talking about the direct taxes. Direct taxes are those taxes which are imposed on income or profit of an individual or organization or corporate. There is a general tendency among the people to avoid the payment of direct taxes. Obviously, there are many reasons to avoid the payment of direct taxes. Still, I think we should pay the direct taxes voluntarily. Why I am saying this? There is reason for it. I will try to explain it in the following way. Whenever you pay the direct taxes, you realize that your money is utilized for the development of country's infrastructure. That infrastructure may be in the form of physical assets like road, bridge, dams, or intangible assets like school, hospital, research and development, or human resources. Thus, you realize that you are indirectly the owner of these assets, that is tangible as well as intangible assets. Once you accept that you are the owner, you get the feeling of patriotism and ownership. What is patriotism? Patriotism is nothing but the moral obligation of an individual to a certain political boundary. If you become a patriotic man, you will never destroy the assets or wealth of a country in any case, whether be it communal violence, strike, or in any political anarchy. You will always try to preserve it or protect it. To conclude, patriotism is an abstract concept which should be taught only through the abstract concept like taxes. Thank you for watching my video.